119,000 square feet, and 100 of it is refrigerated, and the rest is office.
New crop desert grapefruit starts in mid-October. Stack Peterson up enough to where you don't run out. So we could even get a little lower, and then all of a sudden we'll have 40, 50 different things.
Tomatoes, tropicals live in here year-round. Cucumbers, peppers, citrus, apples, pears, mushroom, onion, salad mix, your avocados. This room has skid-proof floors, has drains cut in the floors as well. Any product that has ice on it. For melons, where they could skip, into the season of melons. But when we head over into the apple room, it's going to be cranking. We have 8 rooms, and you can fit a truckload in each room. We have ethylene burners in here, and these, the yellow coils that shoots the air through for an hour going one way, and then it stops and goes through the other way so that you don't get checkerboarding. We spend a lot of time and energy and focus on all of our bananas.
They started farming here in 1975, went organic in 1989. The orchard's about 2 miles west. They bring the fruit here and pack it. So let's go on in and take a look. Store apples for long-term storage. The doors close and then they, run the oxygen out and fill it with nitrogen. So it gets down to about 1% oxygen.
This little room right here is just the primary juice room. You'll kind of get the picture once you come inside. So you'll see various equipment. We'll mix and match based on the process that we're doing.
It's called fire blight is because it looks like a fire passed through, and this was a particularly rough year for it. There's a bacteria that's always present in the orchard, warm spring days, and you get a rain shower come through. When that happens, that bacterial growth just explodes because it's the perfect conditions for bacteria to procreate. When that flower is open, that bacteria can travel down the flower and into the wood of the tree, and it kills the tree. And it can actually take out a whole orchard. So you have to cut it out, and then you have to burn it. You'll see this little sort of white dusting. Apples get sunburned just like people do. Spray kaolin clay, which is the same thing that like artist clay is made out of. Coats the apples, it's like a sunblock. When the temperature gets down to 33, 34 degrees in the spring, when the fruit's in bloom, lights these fans, they're on propane. At that level, the temperature is just a couple degrees warmer. And so that fan is just circulating that air, bringing that down to the ground level. This is what they make baby peel carrots out of.
Oh.
The myth!
That's a crowd pleaser.
They're ugly, they're mutt too. When they're pretty, they're moot too. This year they're a mutt too. What I know about bitter pit is it's calcium deficiency. That does not mean that your ground is deficient of calcium. There wasn't enough calcium in its vascular system to feed the apple at a critical moment. The precursors to the Fuji parent.
Well, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out. This is our new facility.
My dad bought a 150-acre farm right over there.
1965.
Eventually that farm got sold. We ended up in Newburgh. We started changing our lifestyle and using nutritional supplements. Our farming life changed like our personal life, and so that's how we got certified in '91. So 3 or 4 years later, I knocked on OGC's door. What time you guys moved into Portland with a small warehouse?
94.
That's one thing about farming, you're always learning, even though I've been doing it for a couple, 3 years.
You're doing some weeding?